dying to meet me. I should have packed every day for 20. I know it burn like Henny, them pills got me cracking, I'm busting my figgy. But we never get shiggy. Yeah, these niggas still talking the gang. Like we don't white talk of the gangs. You run up, get done up in blocks, is your name. Take those shots like a man.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? So I'm back, and you already know when I'm here, it's about to be a fucking banger, son. It's a fucking banger. Alright? So look, right? So today, wait, no, forget today at this momento. Like 2 seconds. So I haven't been posting, right? And before you get on my ass, oh, you haven't been posting, this and that, this and the third, right? So I haven't been posting because I haven't been able to like take some time out of my day to like make a quick little video, and because your boy, like, I had the biggest brain fart ever. Like I was like, yo, what should I make a video about? And then I would look on YouTube and shit like that, and they would all just look the same and shit. But you know, I had to pick one because I gotta post something. So, right, back to today. Today, we're going to be going on Monkey, and we're going to be asking people to rate me on a scale of 1 to 10. You see that? That's fire, right? 1, 2, 10. Fire, right? So we're going to be asking people to rate me on a scale of 1 to 10, and we're going to see how many 10s I get. Alright? So before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn post notifications on so y'all know when I upload another banger. Let's see what percent my phone's on 46. I'm about to put it right here. Chabango, right? Chappelle. And we're going to get right into it. So at the moment, you are not going to be able to see my screen because it's not going to appear nowhere. You're just going to see my beautiful face, and you're going to hear the people talking. But as soon as I can, which is really soon, y'all gonna see like half the screen is gonna be my phone screen, and then the other half is gonna be my ugly ass face. But you know, it's whatever. So let's just get right into the video. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got. That was a nigga. Oh, that's another nigga. All the niggas just skip each other. Like, when a nigga sees a nigga pop up, like, watch, skipped. This shit is funny. When a nigga sees another nigga, skip, watch, he's about to skip too. Skipped. Waiting. Oh, okay. Oh, he scared me now. I was like, hey, my son is kind of fruity tooty. Let's do girls only. For this shit, you gotta use bananas now for this shit. What the fuck? I just got a really good idea.
So this part of the video is muted, right? And no, you're not bugging. No, your phone's not bugging. It's just that the person was playing music in the background, and I'm not trying to get no copyright. So, cause that's not gonna happen. It's this part and another one. There you go.
Yo, where the females at? Where the another nigga? Yo. What's good, bro? Chillin'? Alright, bro. Let me ask you something, right? So, add time real quick, bro. Add time. So, right. Let's say, right, in a world of imagination, right, that you was gay, right? They just left. They didn't even let me finish. They just left. My son just took an Oreo and dipped it in a whole jar of peanut butter. That shit look mad good. Yo, where the shorties at though? Like, oh my god. Try this again. Come on, man. You gotta pay to put girls only. Not pay money, but you gotta use bananas. I don't got enough bananas. Another nigga! Yo. My son had I had his phone like this. And like, all I heard was this nigga breathing. Like, what the fuck? Yo. Wow, that escalated quickly. Yo, all I need is one female, son. I think this side is better. Because over here, y'all not seeing my face. So this side is better. Yo, my God. What? Can you please get your little... That's another little kid! Oh my gosh. That look like Oompa Loompas. Oompa Loompa, doobie doobie doompa. Yo, my... Yo. You said what, bro?
Follow me back so I can get bananas and change it back to girls.
Alright, bro. No problem, my nigga. I got you. My son said, follow me back so I can get bananas so I can change it to girls only. Another fucking... Yo, bro. All I'm seeing is niggas. And it's supposedly on both. Yo. Fuck you, bitch. You suck dick. Suck my dick with your mother's lips. Yes. Okay. I'm about to change it to LGBTQ. Nah, I'm not doing that. I'll probably do it later. But I need some shorties, yo. Oh my God, another nigga. Another nigga. Like, okay, so we gotta... Yo. What's good, bro? Chillin'? Fire. Chillin'. Yo, bro, add time real quick. I got a question. Right? So this question goes to females, but Monkey's not giving me no females right now. Like, all I'm seeing is mad niggas, right? What happened? Alright, can you answer my... There's a female here. Yo, can you answer my question real quick?
Yes.
Alright, bet. Valid. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
I don't know.
Just anything. It don't matter. Like, just anything. It's for a bet.
You see the dude next to me?
Uh-huh.
I can rate him.
Me? I'm not asking you to rate him. I'm asking you... Yo, bro, can you rate me, bro? No gay shit. Don't worry. No homo. A 6? Who you giving an 11?
Yeah.
Me? I got an 11. That wasn't even another. So I got a 6 from a nigga, and I got an 11. Yo.
Hi, my name's Kieran and I was a smoker for 25 years.
That's crazy, son. You done fucked up.
My throat is a hole all the way through it.
That sucks.
Yeah.
It's like people... Me. Another nigga. Yo, I'm a deadass do LGBTQ people. That's it. You'll be matched with other users that have set the option. Bananas will only be spent. Okay. So it's 12 bananas per match? What is this? Yo. You gay, bro? Like, I'm not in an offensive way, but you gay? No? Oh, okay. Dude's not gay, but he got like 30 pounds of makeup on. Are you sure you're not? Yo. Hello? No, I'm not gay. Yo, but rate me on a scale of 1 to 10 real quick. Real quick.
Huh?
Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
10.
10? Fire. Thank you. I'm gonna see you later. Some little ass girl. I just need somebody. I'm so desperate. Cause all I'm. Oh, okay. Yo.
Hey.
What's up?
Nothing.
Chillin'? Yo, I got a question. Can y'all rate me on a scale of 1 to 10 real quick? 3? Like, look, get a real good look. Like, on a scale of 1 to 10. A 2? A 5? Why can I get that extra 0.5 though? Like, what? What's so bad about me? Okay, so you don't like my smile. Got it. Hi. I'm 6'1". I don't want it. I'm too comfortable to stand up. Ah,
He gave you a 5.
mm.
You better get the extra 5.
I'm gonna take that 5 then, cause I'm too lazy to get up, son. Stay up though. Thank you. Trying to feel your body, girl. If you don't, yo, what's up? I got a question. Can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10? I'm a 10. Let's go. I'll take that. Yo, bro, if I was gay, bro, I'd be a bad bitch. Stop playing with me. Come on, just a couple more people, you know, see what's up. Oh, she look good. Please answer. Motherfucker. Alright, whatever. Yo, what's up? Yo, can y'all rate me on a scale of 1 to 10? A 7?
A 10.
5, you see? I fuck with you. I fuck with you. I'm a 6. You could. And you a negative 10, motherfucker. Yo. What's up, bro?
What's up?
You chillin'?
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Yo, add time real quick. Can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'm gonna give you a little 10.
A 10? I appreciate that. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
No problem.
Alright, I'm gonna see you later. Yo, I'm telling you, bro, if I was gay, bro, I'd be begging everything. I don't think there's something to be proud about. Yo, what's good, bro? Chillin'? I saw her. I saw her. Bitch. Hey, let's see what else. Let's see what else we got here. Come on. I'm doing so good. I mean, so far Yo. I can't hear ya. Okay, now I can. I got a question.
Can you hear us now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can y'all rate me on a scale of 1 to 10? At time. At time. -6. And you look like fucking Ferb, motherfucker. Yo. Do you wanna fight? You wanna fight? Alright. Come on, yo, we, stupid. Stop playing with me, yo. I really rock that shit. What? Get out of here. Alright, let's see. Yo, how you doing?
Doing good, and you?
Good. Can you add time real quick? So I can ask you something? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
A 9.
A 9? What's so wrong that I can't get that extra? That
Well, alright, a 9.5. That's technically a 10.
No, it's not. It's a 9.5. It's not no 10.
9.5 is technically
No. It's a 9.5 is in between 9 and 10. So it's 9.5. It's not.
9.5 is literally a 10.
No, it's not. It's 9.5. 9.5 is 9.5. 10 is 10.
No, you're stuck with the 9.5 now.
Why can't I get that extra 0.5?
Because of how you reacted.
Nah, cause like for real, like Alright, so look, I'm gonna say it in the next way. A 9.5 is a 9 point.
To get the 10, can you speak another language?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
Or say something nice in Spanish.
Okay, you want me to say something nice in Spanish? Tú tienes el caco de semilla. I'm playing too much. I literally said that she. I said, tú tienes el caco de una semilla. Semilla de mango. Alright, so that'll be all for this because there's no valid females on here, and I had to go on LGBTQ people for that. But you know, I still got some valid ass ratings, so y'all already know I'm some sexy ass nigga. Ain't nobody telling me nothing. Alright, so
Can I rate you?
that's. Go ahead, my brother. Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
Scale of 1 to 10?
Mm-hmm.
I would give it a 50.
Damn, well, 50. What you want? Que tú me estás llantando.
Nothing.
Oh.
Not like
What about you, my brother?
some sexy
On a scale. Word, thank you, bro. You see?
Be fire,
You see, the fits be fire, the flicks be. You already fucking know, son.
That fucking area, that fucking.
Word. A 3. You a hating ass nigga. A 30? Oh, okay. I'll take that 30. But you gave me a 50, bitch. Fuck you.
You want another 100?
Yeah.
You get another 100.
Thank you. 100.
Would you call, never beat me? You can never beat me. Infinity.
Should I kill him now or later?
Beyond
I think I'm gonna kill him later because I'm gonna end this video right here. So y'all already know. We about to boink, boink, boink. Alright, let me stop fucking around. So, that'll be all for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment what you want to see on this channel. Because remember, the videos is coming in clutch, boy. And make sure you guys subscribe and turn post notifications on. Don't worry, he's alive. It was a tap. It sounded, but it was a tap. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on, so y'all know. Yo, bro, shut up. You trying to record your own phone? I'm gonna kill him. I'm
What's my
gonna kill
YouTube
him.
channel?
As I was saying, make sure you guys subscribe and turn post notifications on, so y'all get notified when I post a banger, which every video is a different type of banger. You already know the vibes, but you already know. Like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on. Stay up and stay sexy. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Boom. And now you don't see me, you see the outro with me and a yellow shirt and some sexy ass nigga.
Choche, we gon' snap back. We gon' fucking snap back, but the money keep running and running and running and running. Yeah, the money keep running and running and running and running and running. Yeah, but I grabbed it.